Hello everyone, this is Mr. William, and today we're going to review the 9th grade math exemplar. Number 1, the tendency of a line crossing the 2 points is. What they mean by tendency really is slope. And I'm going to show you 2 ways you can do this problem. You can just take your x and your y, that's your x and your y, x and your y, -5, 4, -3, 2. And you just want to see what the change is. So if I make a number line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. From 4 to 2 is -2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. From 5 to 3 is a +2. So we want our change in y over our change in x. -2 over 2 gives me -1. So my answer is -1. The next problem, which one is not linear? You know it's linear when it looks like this. Y equals m times x plus b. In A, y plus x equals 4. I subtract x from both sides and I get y equals 4 minus x. Or I could write that -x plus 4. That's linear. And the rest of them have a y. This one doesn't have a y, so this one is not linear. The correct solution for the equation is, for this equation, these right here mean absolute value. Absolute value is just the distance from 0. Absolute value is my distance from 0. So we say here the absolute value of 3 is 3 because 3 is 1, 2, 3 from 0. The absolute value of -3 is also 3 because the distance from 0 is 3. So absolute value is always positive. So if I come here and if I just put the numbers in, 2 times -2 plus 1 is equal to -4 plus 1, which is -3. Well, the absolute value of -3 is 3, not +3, not -3. If I put a 2 in, I get the absolute value of 2 times 2 plus 1, which gives me 4 plus 1, which gives me the absolute value of 5, which is 5. So that's not the answer. And here is D is equal to 1. If I put 2 times 1 plus 1, which is the absolute value of 2 plus 1, which is the absolute value of 3, which is 3. It's not D. So my only answer is no solution. Okay? The absolute value cannot be negative. Number 4. If you bought a car for AED $12,000 and after a year its price reduced, meaning it went down, to 900 AED, then the percent of change will be. So my car starts here, AED 12,000, and reduced to AED 900. So then it says, what's my change? Well, how much money changes here? Well, it went down 11,100. That's 12,000 minus 900 gives you 11,100. Okay, so it went down 11,100. This is my change. So my percent change would be minus 11,000, right here, is the minus 11,100, and it started at 12,000. That's my percent out of 100. Now, none of these answers are correct, but I'm going to finish this problem anyway. So this cancels, that cancels, that cancels, that cancels. So I get 111, 120 equals X over 100. I'm going to cross multiply and divide. So I get 111 times 100 equals 120 times X. And that gives me 11,100 is 120x. Divide both sides by 120. And my answer will be 92.5% decrease. And we'll practice that in another video. Okay, I'm going to stop right here and I'm going to finish more problems in another video.